The Right to Information Bill was passed into law in March 26 this year, but its implementation is expected in January 2020 because structures and other inputs, including the setting up of an independent commission, secretariat, information officers and units, would have to be put in place first. At a forum organized by Media Foundation for West Africa, participants deliberated on anticipated challenges and how Ghana's implementation can be different from the other African countries who already have such a law in place. Legal practitioner and human rights activist Akoto Ampao expects appointments to the commission to be based on merit. Again, he wants the Secretariat not to be staffed with party activists and the training of information officers be open and transparent.
Unless we work to change the thinking and culture of our politicians, our political parties, and our bureaucrats, they would all have a common interest in ensuring that this law does not become a reality in practice.
Technical assistant to the Information Minister, Selassie Spencer, said funding for the takeoff of the law implementation has delayed, but said the ministry is working to get the necessary things done.
The Ministry of Finance has committed funds to facilitate this exercise, and we are working assiduously in the coming weeks to have these funds released so that we can immediately begin to put boots on the ground, especially with regards to the activities that require so much financial burden.
Stakeholders were skeptical about its full implementation in 2020.
I am not hopeful in terms of the missing of the timelines, and I do not, from where I sit, even think we should pay so much attention to these structures. They are important, but let's look at them in the long run. If we want to put the implementation of the bill or the law on these structures and timelines, we are not going to get anywhere.
It is not to say that because there is a roadmap, we need to, if by 2020 everything is not in place, you cannot go and ask for information. There are existing laws, and we can still use the existing laws to request for information.